In this video, I'll talk about how you can save money on Temu without inviting your friends. Now, there are a few ways that you can do this, and the first one is in here. You have some daily check-in rewards. Now, you want to use the Temu app and not the website, but on your Temu app, you want to log in and you want to search for claim credit or free reward or reimburse all. Just try all three of them, and you want to search it up here where you usually search for your products on your app. Make sure it's written exactly like this in one and not with a space, and then you should be given a page. Now, another thing you can do is use coupons and discount codes. So if you're a new user, usually you get welcome codes or something, and there will usually be, when you log in on your app, sometimes there's discount codes and stuff. On the app, you'll also be able to spin the wheel and play mini games. And the last one, and this one is really good, is to sign up to the Temu email program. So just go onto your profile on Temu, type in your email, and make sure that they can email you, because usually they will send you big discount codes on your email, and they'll also offer you free credits and stuff on your email. So that is one way that you also can do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.